Welcome. Today, question 31, another master question. See, little bigger one. And some importance is there. Another master question for pin jointed plane frames with the two hinged supports. Everything about this one. What is the meaning of this one? Two hinged support. See, actually one hinge here, one hinge here. This I told you. Even if it is shown fixed here, it is not fixed. You cannot have fixed support in pin jointed plane frames. So it is actually connected to a hinge. See, when you write next sketch, what you do is, see here, show a hinge here. Here also show a hinge. And again I told you, this is not a member. I told repeatedly, see, this is not a member. Not a member. Not now, later. This all told for you, because when two hinged supports are there, what come to mind? Each hinge two reactions. Total 4 reactions. Total 4 reactions means equilibrium 3 conditions only. So it suddenly comes to mind statically indeterminate. No. Again I told you, because this is a hinge where two members are meeting. So this is a normal hinge. You take it as normal hinge. So there will be 2 reactions here. But this hinge, what is the point name? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, I forgot name. G. This hinge has only one member here. And in between, no connecting member. Since only one member is there, see, how is the member coming? The reaction will be exactly collinear, in line with that one. So, see, here 2 reactions, here only 1 reaction. This is your VA, a little, okay, right, enter here only, see. If you want, this is vertical reaction A, VA, this is HA, this is, I will call RG. It is collinear here. So, finally, number of unknowns are only 3, or if you remember, I told heading lecture number 22, everything is told. You have to go through it and also solve further questions. This is the 4th or 5th question I am solving. First of all, I need not tell anything still. Pin jointed plane frames with the 2 hinged support with only one member connected to one of the hinges and no member connecting the 2 hinges. That is very important. See, if there is one more member here, then actually there is a rule is there. Why you don't bother? Force in the member is 0. Unless there is a lack of fit or temperature change or support settlement for this particular member. That all you don't worry now. So engineering mechanics, they can't give a member here. You are not supposed to know all those things in engineering mechanics. That lack of fit, temperature change, axial deformation, nothing is known. When we do not know, we means at present I also. When we do not know anything about it, how you can take 0 here? So therefore, it is their duty not to give a member here. Now, again I told you, see, 1 minute, I tell it later. Now, question is, I dictate. Find axial forces in all the members for the given pin jointed frame. You should write here. Question is to find axial forces in all members. Okay. Now, question given here. See, 2.4, 2.1, 3, 3.5. That is given along with the members. Loads are visible here. Now, class, some statement. Right. We will start solution. Naturally, you should write here. Doubt comes. Usually he found support, we used to find support reactions. This is also telling 10th time now. No. If you get a pin jointed plane frames with the 2 hinged support and no member connecting the 2 hinges and also only one member connected to one of the hinges, you need, see, no need of finding support reactions if, see, only axial forces are required. Yes. Question is what? Find axial forces. Yes. Therefore, right here, proceed further. But before you proceed further, you require the angle here, see, for this inclined member and this member. So do one thing, you take rough triangle here, see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, mark distances here clearly, let it be theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Okay, now get it, see. To get theta 1 and theta 2, you require this height. To get theta 3, you require this height. So, those who are serious, write everything. See, stand here. From similar triangles, we stand here. AG divided by AD equal to BF divided by BD equal to CE divided by CD. You write. I am not writing. Don't expect me to write high school mathematics here. Or you can write 3.5 divided by 7.5 equal to BF divided by this distance is 3 plus 2.1. 5.1 equal to this divided by 3. So 3.5 by 7.5 into 5.1 will give BF equal to 2.38 meter, and 3.5 by 7.5 into 3 will give you CE 1.4 meter. Then this is structural engineering class. So you should write not waves here. Tan theta 1 equal to CE divided by 3. Show the calculation, get the answer. 25.017 degrees. Tan theta 2 equal to once again CE divided by 2.1. Get this angle. Tan theta 3 equal to BF divided by AB. Get this angle. Okay. Draw the neat sketch. I used to call star sketch. Then reactions I entered just for understanding. Don't enter now. Everything is ready here. Mark the angle for all inclined members. See, this full line angle is how much? 25.017 degrees. 25.017 degrees. Not 17. Sometime when I write here, it will not be clear. Okay, 1 minute. Not 17. Okay. This angle is 33.69 degrees. 690 is 69, sufficient. And this angle is 44.760 degrees. 76 degrees, sufficient. Enter the angle. Okay, now I told, see, you should write here, no need of finding support reactions. If only axial forces are required, start analysis by method of joint from other side. Other side. You should write here. Other side means your supports are left side. So start from right side. That is which point? Other side. That is start from D. You make a note. Again I told you, select a joint having not more than 2 unknowns. Okay, now start. Now remember, method of joint I am not explaining. There is a limit. More than 200 times. This I am not explaining. I stop down. Something which is done repeatedly, class after class, everywhere I have shown. So therefore, you start now, class, see, I write here now. You start from joint D. See, when you come to joint D, you get forces in these two members, these two forces. After D, don't come to E, still 3 are there, come to C. See, you get this force and this force. After C, come to E, you get this force and this force. After E, come to B, you get this force and this force. After B, come to F, you get this force and this force. Yes, all are over. That way you solve. Okay, now I'll remove this one now. This all told so many times. Okay, now start from D. Consider equilibrium of joint D and do whatever you want and get the forces in these two members. Okay. $23.647. You will get 23.647. I am writing all axial forces in kilonewton to save the time. Okay, kilonewton. 23.647 cos 25.017 minus 12. 9.428 in this member. See? this way, arrow mark. That angle is overlapping here, 9.428. You will get these two forces. Okay. Find D, enter here, take one photo. Take one photo. Okay, then next go to C. Okay. Go to C, sketch the equilibrium of joint C. Whatever you want to do, get these two forces. Get the answer. Okay. Direction you assume whatever you want. This all I told thousands of times. Okay. These are over. Take a photo. Okay. Then after C, come to E. C over. After C, go and enter there. Come to E. When you come to E, remember, see here, when you start D, one horizontal, one inclined. Happy case. Here. One vertical, one horizontal. Happy case. But here, both are inclined. So you will get simultaneous equation unless you can do what I am doing now. Once resolve perpendicular to this member, then resolve along the member. But it is better not try all those things. Dangerous. Danger because you may make mistake. You do usual procedure. Write the unknown PEB and PEF, mark the angles there, make sigma V0, sigma S0, get simultaneous equation solve. Plus means same direction, minus means opposite direction, enter there. Okay. I will resolve. 47.720 something. Okay, 72. This is by I got it by resolving perpendicular to this member. You don't try all these things. Then one more answer. $67.464 is the answer. Okay. Now, this joint over, 1 minute now. I will just check it once, safer side. $47.72 correct. Yes, 67.464. Enter here, take a photo. Then come to joint B. See, come to B. Get the forces in these two members. Into sine. 46.470. More 7 sufficient. And then $49.133. 133 you will get. Okay, now lastly come to joint F. Again remember, when you come to joint F, there are both members are inclined. So little struggling, good for health. Good for health means what? You struggle and get the answer. I will first resolve. You don't tie this one, perpendicular to this one, then along that member. $116.249 is this force, finding little uneasiness. Okay. Then other force divided by sine. $62.26. I got the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, correct. I am getting 0 there. Okay, now this will complete the axial forces in all the members. Now if you want, you can go for a tabulation, tension compression. I stopped it. In the beginning I told it is primary school level. That is, somebody without knowing also, once you understand how to write, he will tell, oh, I know, I got it now. If it is this way, write tension. Someone will tell, sir, it's compression. No, it is acting away from the joint. This is all I told earlier. You should study each and everything if you want to understand. Just attending a class in between and then getting doubt, like someone got doubt there. He put a comment there. The one who put the comment, if you are seeing, don't feel bad, you should not have put that comment. What is DTS? How many times I told? No, he just came to that class and he want to know everything from me. See, he will ask, what is NNOFSR? See, I will tell it is some company is short form, what I can tell. See, people are there, they have no patience, not interested in learning, simply coming to a class and asking, what is this one, what is that one? I am not taking class for such people. I am taking class for those who are serious. Okay, now axial forces are all over now. Now, our class is almost over now, nothing further. Now remember, I have to go for next part, support reaction if they want. For that, I have to break the class. I will break and then start. Okay, now axial forces are all calculated. What all I tell you should write. As per the question, see, I told the question is find axial forces in all members. I told reactions are not required. Okay, over. Now make a note. Suppose in the question it is given, you write here, after everything is over, if the question is, you should write somewhere here, find axial forces in all the members and also find reactions at supports. Means, first remember, then to find axial force in the member, reactions are not required. You know it. Now writing. Now, lastly, see, now to find support reactions. Support reactions. That is right here. After finding axial forces in all members by method of joint, then what to do is you consider the hinges here. See, consider A. Consider hinge support right here. Consider, you write, consider hinged support at A. Put a pin here. You should solve this one. See, pin. There are axial forces here. See, one force goes this way. It's a black value, I already known. 49.133. I won't waste time. 49.133 kilonewton. You do one thing, you write PAB. Don't write this way, write PAB. And PAF, that is this way, see. Right? PAF equal to 62.26 kilonewton. This angle is 44.76 degrees. Okay. Then you write correctly name PAB equal to PAF equal to everything right there. Then this is a hinged support with more than one member. 2 or 3 or 4 does not matter. If one member is there, separate special case. This is odd right here. This is your regular hinge. So there will be a vertical reaction, say upwards, say VA, horizontal reaction, I am 100% sure it is to left side. Okay, take right side, no problem. I am helping those who are getting confusion. Okay. Now, what I dictate, you write. Make sigma V0 and sigma H0. See, I will dictate now. Sigma V0 plus VA minus 62.26 sine 44.76 equal to 0. So when you make sigma V0, you will get the value of VA. VA will come 62.26, where the calculator is not working. 62.26 into sine of 44.76. 43.840. 40 plus, sine also important, see, plus 43.840 kilonewton. And sigma H0. Someone will tell, sir, these two are going right side. You have got so much experience. You should take reaction to left side. Yes. When I can, 1 minute, some disturbance is there. Police siren. Just a minute. Okay, reduced. Sometime night time all, they go for patrolling here. Okay, then. When I can solve a question without writing anything, and even including the joint where both are inclined, I can resolve along and perpendicular. When I can do that much, do you think I am not knowing how is the direction of reaction? But I am telling because majority of people, they do one thing, they take vertically up, horizontal right side. If I take left side, they get doubt. Why you took left side like that? Usually right side. Okay, right side. Negative will come. So sigma S0 will give you HA equal to, see, this will give you HA equal to, see, plus HA plus 49.133 plus 62.264 into cos 44.76 equal to 93.344 minus 93.344 kilonewton. Okay. Okay, now then consider other support G. Consider G. Very, very important. Sketch the joint G here. This G. See, there is one force coming here. This time I am writing. This is force in GF. GF equal to 116.249. 249 kilonewton. I should check the camera once. Okay. This with horizontal, it is making angle of how much? There. 25.017 degrees. 1 minute. I don't want to go out of camera. Okay, no problem. Now, this is the joint G. See, this is your joint A. This is joint A. This is joint G. Now you should know one thing. I told you only one member connected. If only one member is connected, then the reaction will be exactly in line, and whatever is that force, it will be opposite to that one. So if it is pushing this way, this will push back here. See, this is your reaction R at G, directly equal to what? 116.249, no plus minus, kilonewton. Okay. Now, see, now go back to star sketch and enter that reaction here. Okay, enter. In the beginning not entered, see, RG we took like this, in line. See, this is RG. Same line, same angle. How much answer? 116.249 kilonewton, this way. And VA we took upward, positive came, correct, VA equal to 43.840. 84, why 0? Unnecessary waste of space, kilonewton. HA, we took right side, negative sign came, so your HA is left side. See? HA equal to 93.344. 93.344 kilonewton. Completely question is over. Now, see, after there come here. Now, make a note. See, what all I dictate, make a note. Suppose it is a competitive examination. This frame given, they will ask you what is the reaction at A or reaction at G. That's all. They are not asking axial force members. Then someone will tell, oh sir, if you want reaction at A and G, first you have to find axial force in all the members, 15-20 minutes. Then finally do like this. No. If the question is only to find support reaction, 1 marks or 2 marks, then you write this sketch once again here. Actually, don't write the sketch once again. In the question paper, sketch is there. That sketch only, what you do? Mark in pencil. So here, see. Here, very important, hinge. See, I told you. Now you may mark a hinge here. Actually, 1 minute now. Okay. I'll mark a hinge here. I'll mark a hinge here. Okay, then this is not the member. Then you mark reaction here. Vertical reaction VA, horizontal reaction HA. And here only one member is there. You mark the reaction like this. That is RG. RG. Now you enter this angle. That is how much? 25.017 degrees. Other not required. Enter the angle. Then see here. This reaction is collinear. Same angle. Now you consider sigma m about A equal to 0. I told take moment about the point where unknowns are more. Clockwise positive. Be careful. See, this is an inclined member here. So RG into perpendicular distance. No. Then you require from A what is perpendicular to this line. Or you can do one thing. See, this RG is like this. RG like this. It makes angle of what here? So I write here now. See, at the point G, you make a note. At the point G, here, okay, clock, I'll put here now. Clockwise positive, okay. Make a note here. At the point G, your RG is like this. See here, RG is like this. RG is like this. Then equal to, see, resolve into a horizontal component this way and a vertical component like this. See, this way it will come. See, when it is this way, horizontal this way, vertical this way, the angle with the horizontal is known here. How much? 25.017 degrees. So don't write there. You write here now. It is, see, this is RG. RG makes an angle of 25.017 degrees right here. Then this will be RG. This component is what? RG into cos 25.017. This is RG into sine 25.017. RG sine 25.017 degrees. Then take moment about A. See, instead of this force, you take this force. What is that one? See, this has got a horizontal component like this. So minus this force. Or if you can drop a perpendicular here and find the height, then you can write RG into height. That also you do. So minus anti-clockwise. What? RG cos of 25.017, see, that anti-clockwise moment into 3.5 anti-clockwise, and then remember that vertical component RG sine 25.017 into 0. You make a note, you write there. One more is there, RG sine of that angle into 0. So I am not writing. Plus, see, you write 20 into 2.4. This time I will give work for you. Don't put directly. Take comment here. 20 into 2.4 plus 30 into 4.5 plus 10 into 7.5, 12 into 0 plus 18 into 2.4 plus 15 into 4.5. You write all that one, it will come 368.7 equal to 0. Don't write this way. What I explained you write here. So you will get the value of Rg. Rg will come 368.7 divided by 3.5 divided by cos 25.017. 100 and plus 116.249. Abba, what a see. Some will tell, sir, this is, someone told in the class long back, sir, this is out of this world. Why? Such a beautifully tallying. I told not one mistake, if you make it won't tally. Okay, that is a personal choice. 1 minute now. Just a minute. We'll continue. Okay, we will get Rg. Okay, then. Now, see, this sketch only. Make sigma V0. Take upward positive. What you get? See here. Plus VA for this Rg plus what? Rg sin 25.017 minus 20, 30, 10, 15, 18. Space problem is there. If you cannot do that much, don't continue my class. Minus 20, minus 30, minus 10, minus 18, minus 15 equal to 0. Minus 93. Minus 93 equal to 0. Substitute for whatever Rg you got. Therefore, you get the value of VA. Rg into sin 25.017. So what? Minus 93. Minus 53 point, something wrong. 116.249 into sine of 25.017 is 49. Minus 93 is plus 43.840 84 kilonewton. You get RVA. And lastly, make sigma h equal to 0. Take right side positive. Here upward positive, here clockwise positive. Right? Plus, see, this see, plus HA, then plus, its horizontal component is here. How much? Rg into cos 25.017. Then, see, one force is there, minus 12 equal to 0. Substitute for Rg value, you will get, therefore, that much you should do. Therefore, you get the value of HA. 116.249 into cos of 25.017 minus how much? 12. Minus 93.333 kilonewton. Okay, now you should do it. Now what you do is you draw this rough sketch. You draw a rough sketch here. There, VA you enter how much? Upward of 43.84. HA, see, you took like this. HA, you enter left side of 93.333. 33344. 333, correct? Is it 333 or 34? 93.34. 343. Okay, oh, that much error will not come in my class. 343. Okay, I was wondering how it is possible. Okay. Then RG, you enter whatever you got. That is these are all not required. Show the support A, mark these two reactions, mark the reaction. So see, using the axial forces, we found reactions. Second time, we found only reactions. See, objective question. Directly, in the question paper, usually they will ask you reaction at G. Why? This is easier. That is, whatever they want, they can ask. They can ask, reaction at G is 4 answer they will give you. Okay, now, one of the answer will be divided by 3.5. In one of the answer, what they will give is, see, when you take moment about this point, it is Rg cos theta into 3.5. They will skip that cos theta. So that people, what in a hurry they will do, Rg into 3.5, gone. That is for previous question when it was horizontal, or for next question I am going to give. Okay. Now this question is completed. Study everything. Now what I am doing is, to save the time, question 31 over, master question. I will give you question 32 as an exercise, and today I am going to close this pin jointed plane frames with the 2 hinged support, with only one member connected to one of the hinges and no member connecting the 2 hinges. Special case, I am closing. I will go to method of sections, but before that, one pending is there. How to decide direction of unknown? I already told earlier, but systematically one class I will take. I told earlier, if you get any, see in the question number 25, where I showed you how to solve a question directly using calculator. I have shown my speed also on that day. Around 2 minutes I solved it. So that time I wrote there, everything I am explaining today, but in case you get any doubt, one more class I am uploading, important class, where I will tell you how to decide directions whenever it is possible. More than 95% cases it is possible. Very rarely difficulty. Anyway, I told again there. Next time also I will tell. Anybody who got difficulty, no, nothing to worry. You randomly assume directions. Negative means opposite enter, positive means same enter. If you enter correct direction, you will get always positive. But why correct principle? At least competitive examinations, it is useful. And subject point of view, technically, see, when you look at a sketch, you should be able to tell the reaction. I can tell here now why the reaction came this way, why it came up and this way. And now one more thing I will tell. Resultant of these two reactions will be equal to 62.26. See, resultant of these two, it will go this way. That reaction will be equal to 62.26. Shall I check it? See, resultant of these two reactions is 43.84 square plus 93.344 square equal to root answer 103 something. It is, see, if you want, it is, see, the resultant of these two is 103.126 should be equal to resultant of these two. Resultant of these two is how much it is? It is 49.133 square plus 62.26 square plus 2 into 62.26 into 49.133 into cos of 44.76 equal to root answer 103.124. 103.124 came. Okay, no problem. See, and also angle made by the resultant with horizontal here should be equal to angle made by resultant with horizontal. I will tell you, the angle made is tan inverse of 43.84 by this one. But here angle made with this force is this force into sin theta divided by that force plus this force into cos theta. same answer. I have not calculated. You calculate, it will come long back, resultant for two concurrent force system. See, if one is horizontal, one is vertical, directly V square plus H square. But both are inclined means P1 square plus 2P2 square plus 2P1 P2 into cos theta. Okay, that all extra information. Okay, now I will go for exercise question for you. Today only I will give, decided. Remember, directly problem, answer, nothing else. Now, I will give you one more question. Remember, this is quite easy question. Easy question compared to previous question, compared to question number 31, because there some problem were there. That inclined member, then some places you get both inclined compared to question 31. So, note, it is a silent class. Now onwards, I will not talk, silent class. But 1 minute, before I am going to silence, same as that question solved. First find axial forces, then using the axial forces come and find reactions, then separately find reactions. Okay, that's all. I will tell question here. Question is find axial forces in all members by method of joint. Okay, and additional part, and also find reactions using support reactions using those axial forces, and also treat a separate question where only reactions required. Okay, now I go silent. That's all. 8. Ink problem. Resume. 1 minute. Okay. Nine, 18, 36, 24, 18, 24, 21, 36, 3 by 5, shift tan inverse 3 divided by 5, shift tan inverse 3 divided by 5, 30.96 degrees, 3 divided by 5, tan inverse answer, 3 by 3, 3 by 4. H down 12. H go to G. By 0.6, 60, 60 into 0.8, 48 this way, minus 21, 27, 27, G, go to F, 60 into 0.6 is 36 plus 9, 45, 50 into 0.8 is 48, 6 is 42. After F, go to E. 45.912. 45 is 45 plus 36. 81 divided by sin 45. So, 551 into cos 45 is 81 this way plus 27 108 this way. Right. After A go to T. 14.551 551 into 45 is 81 plus 9 90. Plus 9, 12 plus 24 plus 36 plus 18. 108. Yes. Yes, correct. 90. 14.551 into cos 45 is 81 plus 42 is 123. 23. 30 go to C. Plus 18. 90 plus 18. How much divided by sin 30.964. 30.964. 209. 209.913. 3 into cos 30.964. 180. 108. 288. Over. Next. Maybe equal to 209.913 into sin 30.964 108. Noted. 209.913 into cos 30.964 180 plus 123. 303. Yes. If into 5 plus 36 45 into 5 more into plus 24 plus 12 plus 36 into 5 more into 4 12